1, 2, 3.
Fire Chief our valued airline and construction partners, our federal partners, and of course our local leaders who have also been very supportive of this project. I will tell you, and you all know this, that this airport is very key to our economic success. It's very key to the improvement of the livelihood of our people. It is the mark of commerce here. And that is why, Shanita, I am very passionate about helping our airport. And as we stand here, near this busy runway lanes that service dozens of flights to and from Guam daily, we cannot begin to imagine the danger and disaster that could unfold in the event of an emergency. And I also want to especially acknowledge all the dedicated men and women of Guam International Airport, and of course, the handsome young men